Hi, my name is Mikkel Novest and I was nominated to the ALS Ice Bucket by René, and thank you for that. That gives me the possibility to nominate the Creative Mornings Copenhagen team. You've been working hard, so this is a possibility to cool down a bit. So here goes. One thing though is I've seen a lot of videos that misses the ice, so the ones I've nominated must have the ice in the bucket. Okay, here goes!